art friends. We're gonna draw a little basketball player. We'll just kind of get this laid out a little bit so we know what goes where. All right, so this is gonna be kind of a little cartoony, and you know, those are always fun. So we're gonna start with his head. Actually, it goes like this. I'll color over this. Oopsie, don't tell anybody. And then I'm gonna draw some lines down, and then I'm gonna draw a line coming around for his head, and then out comes his ear, and then we've got some little ear lines here and a little ear over there, and then we're gonna draw a line coming up, curvy, curve, curvy, and another line coming up. And this guy's intense, so he's gonna have some eyebrows coming like this, and his eyes coming like this. Intense. All right, and then we'll put a little nose on him, and we'll put a little grimace on him. All right, then here's his neck. Here's his jersey. And he's got a little shirt underneath, and jersey comes around like that, comes down, and then it has kind of an S, comes back up, jersey's here, down around, there's his shoulder, there's a sleeve. And we'll just put a simple hand on. Actually, let's give him a fist. And there's his elbow. Looks pretty good. Then here's his little shorts. Curvy line. Bunched it up here, curvy line, straight. Then we got his little leg coming down. Here's his little sock. Here's the back of his shorts. And here's his knee. Here's his shoe. Look at how simple this is, because, you know, we're foreshortening it, because, you know, he's like running toward us with the ball. All right, then here's his other shoe, and then there's where his shoe comes into his sock. X. Yeah, let's put some shoelaces on. There we go. And I think I'm gonna put a little tread on here. Okay. Now we just got to finish his arm up here, so it comes out, down, around, down. There we go. And then, all right, and you're not going to see anything else because he's a dribbling. Bringing the ball down. Yikes, that's not very round. Woo. Okay, maybe a template would have been good for that, to get it nice and round. And then here's the last line. Gosh, do I have anything round for that? I'm gonna clean this up here. This will make it look a lot better. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, and then let's put the cord here, and there we go. Basketball guy running. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.